Welcome to Auto Reviews, where we bring you the latest insights on the most exciting vehicles in the market. Today, we're diving into the Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk Rickshaw, a modern twist on the traditional three-wheeler that's making waves in urban transport. The Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk is a compact, three-wheeled rickshaw designed for urban mobility. Unlike traditional tuk-tuks, this model integrates modern design, improved safety features, and a more efficient engine to cater to the evolving needs of commuters. It is built with durability, affordability, and environmental sustainability in mind, making it an excellent choice for public transport and personal use. The concept of tuk-tuks dates back to the mid-20th century, primarily in Asia, where they were introduced as an affordable alternative to taxis. Toyota has now reinvented this classic mode of transport with advanced engineering, offering better fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and a more comfortable ride. This innovation aligns with Toyota's vision of sustainable urban mobility. The Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk is most commonly used in countries where rickshaws are a popular mode of transportation, such as India, Thailand, Indonesia, the Philippines, and several African nations. It is especially prevalent in congested cities where compact and fuel-efficient vehicles are essential for navigating through heavy traffic. The demand for this vehicle is also growing in South American regions where affordable and eco-friendly transport options are needed. The popularity of the Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk is rising due to its modern design, reliability, and efficiency. Traditional tuk-tuks often suffer from high emissions and poor safety features, but Toyota's model addresses these concerns with a refined, eco-friendly engine and a sturdier frame. Many fleet operators and ride-sharing companies are adopting this model as a cost-effective alternative for short-distance commutes. The Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk is designed for optimal performance in urban settings. It features a refined engine that delivers smooth acceleration, minimal noise, and improved durability. The lightweight structure ensures excellent maneuverability, making it perfect for weaving through crowded streets. Fuel efficiency is a key highlight of this vehicle. With its small yet efficient engine, it offers impressive mileage, reducing fuel costs for operators. In some models, Toyota has also integrated hybrid or electric options, further enhancing efficiency and reducing environmental impact. The vehicle's capabilities include seating for up to 3 passengers, a durable suspension system for bumpy roads, and a compact design that allows easy parking and navigation. Safety features such as a reinforced frame, seatbelts, and improved braking systems make it a more secure option than traditional rickshaws. Key features of the Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk include a digital instrument cluster, LED lighting, a comfortable cabin, and an efficient ventilation system. Some variants may also offer Bluetooth connectivity and smart infotainment for a modern driving experience. The price of the Toyota Neo Tuk Tuk varies by region but remains affordable, making it an attractive choice for small business owners and transport operators. Its combination of fuel savings, durability, and low maintenance costs makes it a highly profitable investment. The biggest selling points of this vehicle are its eco-friendly design, cost-effectiveness, and modern safety features. Compared to older models, it offers a better overall experience for both drivers and passengers. With Toyota's reputation for reliability and quality, the Neo Tuk Tuk is set to become a game-changer in urban transportation. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more updates on the latest vehicles. See you in the next one.